We are going to show you the import me installation. First of all, find out the base parts and then the cabling. Please make sure the positive and the negative parts, and also there will be 2 holes on the right hand side or even on the right hand side, so it depends on where your power coming from. And then find out the brackets. So the brackets, you can feed out the brackets to the coder. There will be 4 brackets in total. Once the brackets is fitted, and then you can put the side panel insert to the brackets to have the brackets with the panel screwed together. So then there will be a support between the other panel, so have it fixed as well, and then put the another way, so right hand side one, and then fix it by screws again. So before you screw all the screws to the brackets, do not have it tightly at the beginning. So once you have everything in position, and then you can have a final step to have all the screws tightly together in the final step. And then you can find out the top supporting between the 2 panels, and then again have it screwed together by the screw, have it fixed by the screws, and then find out the ceiling. So the ceiling parts, we are matching the hole, so it's very easy for you to put it in the right position, and then again fix tightly. And again, this glass panel is the rear panel on the back, so make sure to using proper tools to hold it. And you do need 2 labels to hold it together just in case, because it's very heavy. And then there will be a blue plastic brackets on each terminal, and then you can put it into the right position. And if there is any label on the glass, make sure all the label on the very visible section. And once you have the glass there, you can have all the plastic seal around the glass edges to make sure all the edges will have the seal properly done. So because this is one of the good way to have the sound isolation, and also the proper seal will make the entire pod looks very clean and also professional feeling. So once you have all the sealed onto the right position, and then find out the brackets. So also there will be the right position, the right pre-drilled hole, so that you can put the brackets there to hold on the back glass tightly. So there will be quite a few brackets, so just find the correct one. You will not miss it because all the brackets will have the pre-drilled holes there, so you will just need to find the brackets to matching the holes. So that will be very easy way to go. And then you may need to hold on the door in a very good way to make sure you are insert to the right position at one time. Otherwise, it will take a little bit time. And once you have the door insert to the right position, then you can have the handle insert as well. So it will take a little bit time to have the handle done. before you have all the position tightly screwed, you have to make a check first to make sure if all the section on the right position. I mean, if all the section on the right position. And then this is the cabling connector. So the cabling, we have positive and negative connectors. So it's also a quick connector, you will not miss it. And this is the bracket to hold the tabletop, and we have everything. We have all the holes pre-drilled into the right position, so you just need to find the correct position to have the brackets to hold tightly by the screws. And then this is the power rail and also the power control box. So the power control box is located into the bottom, and then you will have the power rails. The power rails will installed to the wall, and you need to connect the power rails to the power control box. Again, you will not miss that because you will have the correct position for the negative and the positive connectors. So just make sure you will fit into the right position. And for this one, there will be like few different pins. So you just need to also find the right one to match. Also, there is one more pins onto the power control box. It's just for the future development. If you need more powers, and then you can also have the power source from there. And then for this one is for the sensor. So this is for the sensor. It's like 4 pins for the sensor. Okay, so just have the fans, also the sensor into the right position, into the right connectors, and even the lighting into the right connectors. So all the cabling for the fans, for the lighting, will come in from the edge corner. And then to make sure the sensor parts will relocated below the tabletop, you have to keep in mind the sensor will below the tabletop. Before you are putting the wall, have a testing first to make sure the lighting and the fans are work before you are putting the wall to the right position. And then you pull out the power rails. Make sure the cabling are not messing inside to make sure the wall will fit into the right position. And then fixing the power rails, the functional power rails by screws, and then have the cover done. So that's it. And then it's another section wall. So we are using magnet design right now. So you will just need to put the wall into the right position. No need to screws, no more screws. So this is a very easy way to save the installation time. And it's kind of a smart. So you can You can put the rocks into the very finer step, but we may also recommend to put the rocks now. And also, as you can see, there will be holes. There are actually 4 holes on each corner. So those 4 holes is the adjustment for the casters and also the feet. So if you need the pot into the static position, you just need to make the adjustment from that hole. So everything is hiding down in a very clean way. So once you have the carpet tires ready, and then there will be a cover to lock the carpet. So the entire looking will be very clean. Alright, just make sure the carpet tire will be in its own right position. And then you can put the tabletops on. So the tabletop is already have the pre-drilled holes as well, so you will not miss the right position. So as you can see, the sensor it's below the tabletop. So before you install the sensor, you have to make sure the sensor and all cablings are below the tabletop. Then there will be a step to have the soft closing door hardwares done. So there will be a cover on the top. Make sure you will have a ladder or maybe a chair to help you to stand in a very high position. And then you can put the hinges into the right position. Alright, it's almost done. So actually this degree it's like adjustable. So there is a speed adjustment valve, so you can make the speed a little bit adjustment. Okay, so you will see it works. And then try to have a testing again. So that's it.